Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel's Emporium. And since today's weekend is cooking time and it's a grocery time for Hazel's Emporium, as all you know, I do love cooking, so I am thinking of preparing a pinakbet. It's been a while I have not had pinakbet, so I will go with us guys and buying some pinakbet ricados in the closest groceries in my place, closest to my place. Okay, so tara. Nice weather today guys, Sunday. It is 7 o'clock p.m. actually. I think it's still bright, but it's getting darker though, because we are almost at the mid of August, and you know what that mean is September is coming. I don't wanna really to discuss that because I still am aiming of the summer, hot weather, warm weather I would say. So yeah, I am heading to my grocery. We have okra, so we'll get this one. Look at this eggplant, this is huge. Well, I can use this one. What do you think? Yeah, I can use this. Not really that pretty, maybe. And look at this. Better. I better have to put this one too. Ampalaya. Right? Oh, I can have this one too. Maybe just a smaller one. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is good. Okay. And that is. Ta-da! Finished product. So I have for tomorrow. Yummy.